Dear friends, good morning, Namaskar, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. You are welcome in part 17 of the series. Before we start, let us see what we have covered in part 16. We have discussed about appropriate wages, proper health and appropriate social welfare schemes for workers. Today we will discuss about Mudra loan and facilities added to Mudra loan under Atmanirbhar Bharat. Government of India will provide interest subvention of 2% for prompt payees for a period of 12 months, which resulted in 1,500 crores interest subvention for Mudra Shishu loans to the loanees up to 1.62 crores. इट मीन्स जो आपने लोन 50,000 रुपये तक का लिया है वो शिशु लोन में आता है मुद्रा में, और उसमें सरकार 2% का आपको सबवेंशन दे रही है, अर्थात छूट दे रही है। कब तक के लिए? 1 साल के लिए। किस परिस्थिति में? जब आप अपनी इंस्टॉलमेंट टाइमली पे करते हैं। अर्थात जिस तरह फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आपका रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट आज की तारीख में 10.65% है तो सरकार उसमें चार्ज करेगी 8.65%, अर्थात 2% बैंकों को सरकार देगी 1 साल तक, ताकि आपको वो 2% का बेनिफिट 1 साल तक मिले। इसका मतलब ये है कि सरकार को इस पे करीब 1,500 करोड़ रुपए खर्च करने पड़ेंगे 1 साल के अंदर। और लोन मोरेटोरियम हैज़ ऑलरेडी बीन ग्रांटेड बाय आरबीआई इन दिस रिगार्ड। Micro Unit Development and Refinance Agency Limited is called Mudra. Mudra loan was started by NBFC for micro industries with the help of banks under MSME. It ranges between 50,000 to 10 lakh for a new and existing micro industries. The scheme in 3 parts: Shishu loan up to rupees 50,000, Kishore loan that is 50,000 to 5 lakh, अर्थात 50,000 से ऊपर जो लोन होगा पर 5 लाख तक होगा वो किशोर लोन में आएगा, और तरुण लोन जो 5 लाख से ऊपर होगा और 10 लाख तक आएगा। All the citizens between the age of 18 to 25 years are eligible under this scheme. No collateral security or third party guarantee is required. इसमें आपको किसी प्रकार की कोलेट्रल सिक्योरिटी देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, किसी दूसरे की गारंटी देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है लोन लेते वक्त, किंतु आपने जो कुछ लोन लेके परचेज किया है, जो असेट क्रिएट किए हैं, वो बैंकों के पास मॉर्गेज रहेंगी या हाइपोथेकेटेड रहेंगी, जैसी भी परिस्थिति होगी। The rate of interest between 10.65% to 11.65% depends on bank to bank, depends on period, depends on amount. Mudra loan is provided by all scheduled banks and MFIs. MFIs are microfinance institutions. The primary assets created out of loan will be mortgaged, hypothecated, pledged by lending institutions as per category of the loan. जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया, ये हमारी प्राइमरी सिक्योरिटी है जो आपने क्रिएट की है लोन लेकर, तो ये बैंकों के पास गिरवी रहेगी। Happenings during the week. Personal insolvency proceedings has been stayed by the Honorable High Court of Delhi against Mr. Lalit Kumar Jain and issued notice to MCA, Ministry of Law and IBBI. Now ARCs, Asset Reconstruction Companies, cannot become RA, Resolution Applicant under IBC, अर्थात Insolvency Bankruptcy Code as per RBI. It means ARCs cannot take over the companies under resolution process. Effect of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Export to Malaysia increased by 75%, increased again to Vietnam 42%, export to Singapore increased by 36%, and to South Korea 15%, to Japan 5%, but in some areas it is decreased also. For example, export is decreased by 11% to USA and 6% of Brazil because of their COVID-19 condition. The profit of Chinese banks decreased by 12% due to the measures taken by the Government of India. In part 18, we will appear with the new and latest issues related to MSME. I am also eagerly waiting for your comments, suggestions, questions to be taken up in the next part if given on YouTube Yudhishthir's Gyan Ganga. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe it free by using your email ID and push bell icon to get notifications immediately after release of next video. That will come by next Friday अर्थात शुक्रवार. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. शुक्रिया. Bye.